Dear children, this is the last module, that is fourth module in this particular session. Here we are going to discuss about one module, that is random library. Random is a library module for generating random numbers. It is very similar to what? It is very similar to range. Python allows to generate random numbers between any range. To generate random number, we need to import random library. Syntax to generate random number is random.randint. Randint is the function x comma y. X is the lower bound and y is the upper bound. It will generate random numbers from x to y. If you are giving 1 to 10, it will generate random numbers between 1 to 10. Sometimes it may be 2, 3, 4. Sometimes it may be 5, 6, 7. Sometimes it may be 8, 9, 10. My dear children, it is very similar to range of function. Whereas random function will generate only the random numbers. Range of function will generate a sequence or a list of numbers between the range. This is another statement, infinite loop and break. My dear children, here while of true always become true. And I used a break for terminating the infinite loop. Infinite loop means what? When the condition become always true. That is, it doesn't have a false condition. It doesn't have a situation to have. That is, the expression become false. So that is called an infinite loop. So in this example, here while loop become always true. When it has to be terminate as a greater than, that is a greater than 100. When a greater than 100, the loop terminates. Break statement is given for terminating the infinite loop. Infinite loop means what? The unconditional or the condition become always true. There is no such a situation for making the condition as false. That sort of conditions or looping is known as infinite loop. That can be terminated only by using the break statement. Then nested loop. As we discussed nested if, the nested loop within a loop. A loop may contain another loop in its body. This form of loop is called a nested loop. In nested loop, the inner loop executes for each value of outer loop. If the outer loop is 4 times and inner loop is 5 times, then the statement will be executed at 4 into 5, that is 20 times. My dear children, this is one of the example for I in sequence. And the sequence is nothing but this is a syntax. Sequence is nothing but a list or a range. That statement 1 will be executed 20 times, statement 2 will be executed 5 times. This is one of the example for getting the table. If I am giving 2 into 11, the table of I, it will print for I in range 1, 11. So it will print 1 to 10. I into j. So 1 into 1, 2 into 1 into 2, like 2 into 1, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, like that it will print till 10. That is 2 to 10 it will print. My dear children, the deep explanation or in-depth explanation will be given in the online session. Please go through with the programs. How to do or how to write nested loop. Loop within a loop. I think you are all clear about what is nested loop, what is range, what is random, like that. In the online session, we will discuss more. Thank you.